Hello everybody and greetings. My name is Matty Francia and welcome to Disney Media Blog Television Channel Network. Today I'm going to show you on what you get when you unbox Marvel Studios Deadpool 1 2016 film Blu-ray compact set. Here it is. Here's what the front cover looks like. It has a close-up of Deadpool face mask on the front cover on it. So, here's the spine and the back. Here's what bonus features you will get. You'll get deleted and extended scenes with optional audio commentary by director Tim Miller, gag reel from comics to screen, gallery of concept art, costumes, story builds, pre-visuals and stunt visuals, Deadpool's fun sack, audio commentary by Reynolds and screenwriters Rhett, Reese and Paul Wernick, audio commentary by director Tim Miller and Deadpool co-creator and comics artist Rob Loveland, and more. Here's what technical specifications you'll actually really get. You'll get English, Spanish, and French audio and subtitles language tracks. And you'll also get the Movies Anywhere MA digital movie copy HD streamable version downloadable format activation code. You should use this to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel Studios, Star Wars, National Geographic, Muppets, 20th Century Studios, and other movie studios movies titles on the go, like on the road trip. Let's unbox this Disney movie title. Here's Marvel Studios Deadpool 1 2016 film Blu-ray disc on the right hand side of the Blu-ray case. And here's Marvel Studios Deadpool 1 2016 film DVD disc on the left hand side of the Blu-ray case. And here's the Movies Anywhere MA digital movie copy HD streamable version downloadable format activation code. You should use this to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel Studios, Star Wars, National Geographic, Muppets, 20th Century Studios, and other movie studios movie titles on the go, like on the road trip. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.